Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a core finisher. All you need is an optional block and yourself and the mat. So this can be done at the end of your strength training workout, something just to finish off your core. This is back and neck friendly. However, it is not osteoporosis friendly because we're going to be doing some side planks. So come down on your back, and when we do the side planks, I'll also give you an optional bicycle crunch that you can do instead of the side planks if your shoulders are bugging you today. So go ahead and lay down. The very first round is going to be one set of everything for 30 seconds. Once you're laying all the way down, we're just going to take a big breath here and a big exhale. Give me your arms up, reach your fingers to the sky, pull them back down and up. Got just a few more minutes before, or actually a couple seconds before our timer goes off for the first one, which is heel slides. Reach the fingers up. When that timer goes, we're going to slide our heels and dig a big trench in the sand. One more and lower it. Press it all the way down. Pull your belly downward and lower your hands. Extend the heel. Now dig a big trench back. We got 30 seconds on each side. The goal when you're digging your trench is the belly button is pulling down to the spine. It's not puffing up to the sky. So that way your core stays engaged the whole exercise. This doesn't have to be fast. Toe goes out, you dig the trench deeper as your shoulder blades open. We're going to change sides. As soon as that bell dings, we're going to go left. Push it and bring it back down. Now, why am I using the bell? Just because we don't have to worry about counting these, and you can pay attention to your form. I'll also hook up some nice music so you can follow along and just concentrate on your work. And push. How's your core? So your hands are pushing down gently, so are the back of your arms, and stop. Your very next one is going to be the leg lift. Straighten your right leg. Flex your toe, lift it up, and lower it down. 30 seconds of these, no higher than the knee, and lift. Now if that bothers your knee, you can always have a soft point. Otherwise, keep it flexed. Same thing, your hip isn't moving, they're still. This left bent leg is pushing into the ground, as well as your arms. When that timer goes, you know, we got the left leg. Straighten it out, flex the toes to the nose. Let's lift and lower. The timer just keeps us on track along with the music. I'll put on something cool. I got a nice mix in mind. When this goes, we have one leg circles. Keep pulling that belly down. I don't want your pelvis rocking and rolling. Push your standing leg down, which is your bent one, which is your right. And lift. Lower the leg. Extend the right leg up to the sky. Point your toe. Circle down, around, up to the top. Stop one. Now while you're circling that right leg, your left hip is staying down. So what I don't want is that hip rocking and rolling. The left foot is pushing down. Let's reverse. Reach it across the room. Brush your pants as you go. Your tail is heavy. Your hands are pushing down. This can be slow and lower. Left leg up. Externally rotate. Cross down, around, and up one. Now this right leg can be away from you if needed. Just concentrate on that external rotation of the thigh. Hands are pressing down and reverse. So you notice my knee over on the right is not wandering while the left leg is circling. My belly's still active. After this, we have dead bugs. Lower down. Bend both knees up, fingertips to the sky. Right arm, left leg, reach it out. Get nice and long. Now, if this bothers you, go ahead and take your knee bent down to the mat instead of extending it out straight. These are great for the core because, once again, no crunches, easy on the neck and back. I got you covered. And reach. After this, grab your block. All right, right leg, right hand, and now extend and come back up. Same dead bug, but now I'm adding the press of the knee into the block. I'm pressing my hand down, and you should feel your abs fire up. Keep squishing them together like a sandwich. Pull your core down. Reach that leg long. When the timer goes, we got the other side. All right, left leg, left hand. And extend the right arm and leg. Push them together. You're like you're trying to squish the cheese out of your sandwich, you're pushing it so hard. And reach. Your tail is down, your head is down, nothing else is moving but that right arm and leg. And reach. Next up, clamshells. Reach it long, come on, stay with me. And time. Put your block down on your side, face me. And open that leg and close it. Now your clamshells, your heels are lined up with your butt. You can take your neck out of it. You can also do your clamshell up here. Does not matter as long as you're opening and closing. Next one up, we have side plank with the leg up. Now here's where I can show you an alternative with the bicycle crunch if your shoulder's not feeling it today. All right, come up, bottom leg bent, top leg straight, shoulder over wrist, or I'm sorry, shoulder over elbow. Take it up. This hand can be on your hip. Now lift that leg and lower. Keep your head in line with your spine. Pull in that core. When that timer goes, we're gonna go to the other side and do clamshells and the side plank. Now, if you want, hold it up there. If you want a challenge today, look up at that top thumb, suck in that gut, and release. Come on to your other side. Clamshells. Get set up and open the leg and close. I promised you a great core workout without any crunches, and hopefully I delivered to you. And open and close. These can be nice and moderate, great for that glute med. Your core is just not your abdominals, it's everything in between, and you got to work it as a whole. Time. Side planks, bottom leg bent. Get set up from a straight line from a head to your butt. Take it up, hand to your hip. Hold it here and look forward. Bring your head in line with your spine. Pull in your core. You want to make it a little harder. Take that leg up and look at it for the last 15 seconds. Keep pushing the hip to the sky. If you're doing the alternative bicycle crunches, make sure you're looking back at your elbow and you're bringing one knee up. Come on down. Turn onto your belly and up on all fours for bird dog. Wrist under shoulders. Extend the right arm and the left leg and change. Your back is neutral. I don't want that hip going up. So when I extend my leg back, my hip stays nice and square to the front. Nothing else is moving. After bird dog, we have flight. Extend like you're shaking somebody's hand, pull in your gut toward your spine. Lay on your belly. Your right or your left ear to the mat and your hands by your side. Take a breath in. Exhale, reach to your toes, press your pelvis down. Right ear to the mat. Breath in. Exhale, reach to your toes. This is great for extension. Big exhale. Reach, other side. Fill it up. Big exhale. Other side. And coming all back up. Press all the way back. And let's get some of our stretches done. Starting out with the Sphinx. Coming back down to your forearms. Now I want you to stretch your belly, and I want you to pull your core in. So I don't want your belly hanging and your shoulders coming together. Just pull your belly away, push your forearms into the mat, look forward, stretch your back. One more breath. Big exhale. Coming all the way back up for cat and cow. Wrist under shoulders, hips over the knees, belly to the floor. Roll up from your tail, your mid-back. Finally, your head goes. Inhale, cow your back. Exhale, round tail, mid, shoulders, head. Again, inhale, cow your back. Exhale, round. And sit all the way back for a T-spine stretch. You can have your toes flexed, doesn't matter. Take your right hand behind you, and you're sitting all the way back. Bring it across, and now open it up. Back and forth and close. Give me one more. And put that hand down to change. Left hand, bring it across, and open. These are great for mobility. Last one, and bring it all the way back down. Now your wrist stretch, bring your fingers facing you. You can do one at a time or both. All I want you to do is sit back just a little bit to where you feel a stretch right up your forearm. And release. Grab your block for an optional hamstring stretch with the optional block. You can use a book, whatever you need to build your ground up. Bring it forward, my block is on the inside. Come forward, lunge, and now press it back, and you can use that block on this side if you need it. Lunge it forward, the block on the inside or the outside. Look up, press it back, move your block. One more, forward. Use the block to help bring your hip flexor forward. Straighten that leg, change your hand. Now let's change. Left leg, forward, hip forward, eyes forward, and stretch that leg straight as you can today. The block just helps build your ground up. Forward, switch the hands, that way we get a support for the hip flexor. Push it back. Support wherever you need that block today. Last one, forward, eyes up, chest up, and you can feel it all the way up this leg that's going forward. Push it back. And kneeling or sitting, however you like, because we are done. I promise you a great ab workout in less than 15 minutes with no crunches. Hit that like, subscribe, and share, and stick around. Check out the channel. I will see you next time. Bye. That was quick and easy.